Good morning, Quadcopter 101 here. And before we get started, I'd like to give my shout-outs to today's notification squad winners. Those are Sirecast and Felix DeCat. Sirecast and Felix DeCat were the first to say first in one of my recent videos, and thus they win a shout-out as a notification squad winner. So, again, congratulations, Sirecast and Felix DeCat. Good morning, Quadcopter 101, and I have a neat new quadcopter for you today. This is the XK X150. Now, XK always puts out neat stuff, advanced stuff. And this one, is no exception. What do we got here? Well, you look and you say, oh, it's just another FPV camera. Yeah, it is. But it has a nice 720p HD camera. And you say, oh, I've seen that before. But the camera can be swiveled up or down. And I've got it set somewhat level with the quadcopter. But you can say, I've seen that before, but this also has an optical flow position hold system. So this will hold its position in space automatically. Now this is meant mainly as a selfie bird, okay? It is a selfie bird with optical flow position hold. Something small that you can take with you. You can fly it either with its provided controller or using its app. And I recommend considering using its app because, you don't need to carry around this controller with you. Unless you want to go doing acrobatics with a quadcopter, but if you want it as a selfie drone, all you really need is your phone. Additionally, it has a large 800 milliampere hour battery. That should give this plenty of flight time, hopefully. Additionally, what else? We got the on-off switch on top here, and it just looks cool. I like the look of it. So, and I did mention, let me show you real quick, that this lens can be swiveled up or down. Let's see if I can get it that close to show you that, but it's real easy to swivel it, and I got it more or less set slightly downward. I'm going to give it a little bit of elevation, and I'm mainly going to do this first flight doing a selfie video. So we're going to send it up a little bit high at about an angle like so, and just plop it in the air and take selfie pictures and videos. Let's go over the controller real quick before we go into the flight. We have takeoff and land button. It has automatic takeoff, automatic land. Your rates are adjusted by pressing into the throttle stick. And you can do flips by pressing into the pitch roll stick. And you can start and stop the video by pressing this button here. Short time for photo, long time for start and stop in video. And I forgot to mention a couple things here. This records to microSD card. So, you don't got that Wi-Fi lag. It should be nice video. Now, the one thing I don't like about this particular quadcopter, it has that big battery. I like that it's a big battery, but it is a proprietary battery, okay, with a proprietary connector. So you're going to have to buy replacement batteries from XK for this. There's not going to be many generic batteries shaped like that. So let me adjust this camera a little bit more so we can go like that. Okay, let's fire it up and see how it performs. Hope you enjoy this flight. First thing we need to do is turn it on. And it is on, and I'm going to bind the quadcopter to the controller, and let's try that automatic takeoff. And the first test we want to do is see if we have any flyaway potential. Automatic takeoff. Whoops, I think we need to start the motors first and then press that automatic takeoff. Press that automatic takeoff. Okay, automatic takeoff doesn't work, so we're going to just give it throttle. Now, notice it holding its position. That's doing that automatically. It's using the poor man's GPS of optical flow system. Now we're going to turn off the transmitter. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. So it'll land itself. Okay, going back and rebinding and turning on its Wi-Fi app. Hold on, folks. Okay, this is the XK Innovation Wi-Fi FPV app. But we don't need to really use this unless we're flying with the app. We're flying with the controller right now. And we can start the video by pressing and holding the video button down. And we notice that on the right side there, our video recording has stopped or started by the red indicator of the video camera button. Now I'm going to start the motors by bringing the sticks down and inboard. Pressing automatic takeoff button again, but that doesn't seem to work. So we're going to give it throttle, take to the air. And let's see how that looks. Going up a bit higher. Then I'm going to get in front of the camera. Say, how you like my shirt today, folks? Now I'm seeing the usual Wi-Fi lag in the video screens, but hopefully the recording that's being recorded on the microSD card is not going to have that lag. Again, we're using the video primarily to maintain, here I'm going to turn off a lot of that there, to maintain the shot. So I'm going to go out a bit and go to the left, and now I want to take a photo. Let's press the photo button. Pressing a quick press of the photo button. I don't know if it took it. Maybe I got to turn off the video first. I'm turning off the video now. Let's do a quick press and see if it takes a photo. Yeah, it does. So you can go take photos. And do a jump. I don't know if that worked or not. Let's try it again. Try it one more time. Okay, and pressing the video camera button again. Taking video. Now going up a bit higher. And going outbound a bit. And doing another photo shot, or actually, let's point it over this way now. And again, this is a quadcopter that you would take with you and just get your video of the Grand Canyon in the background or whatever may be the point of interest for your videos. Okay, let's press that automatic land button. Is it going to automatically land? What if I hold it down? There, if I held it down, it lands. And I'll stop the video. Now what I want to do next is point the camera a little bit further down. Okay, let's put it down about 45 degrees. Okay, that's the max angle it'll go right there. And let's go over into the field a little bit further. Over here. And we'll try various angles of the camera. Okay, starting right there. And starting the motors. Holding that button down again. It doesn't do it. Oh, there it goes. Now it did an automatic takeoff. And going up higher. And starting the video camera now. So there it is now. That's about 45 degrees up. Let's send it up a little bit higher. And the reason being, I want to see how high can we go before that optical flow system no longer operates. There's going to be a limit there. Okay, we are about 8 meters up, I'm guessing. Going out a little bit further. Going up a bit higher. About 10 meters up. Still holding its position. Let me yacht over here. Oh, it does. Yeah. I just got it hovering in the air, folks. There I am again. This one works very well. Okay, coming over here. Staying in its position. We'll go up a little bit higher. How about there? Still holding its position. We're about 12 meters up. Well, we are a good, well over, about 15 meters up. And it's still holding its position, folks. This is one of the better optical flow position hold quadcopters I've tested. Now it's starting to drift. Let's come back down. So it was about 15 meters up. Coming back down. Bring it over. Up to me. And stopping it right about there. Now we haven't, well, let's see if this will do a flip. Let's go up a bit higher. Coming up to it. And pressing the flip button. There's its flip. And then it drifts away after doing a flip. So keep that in mind, folks. If you do a flip, it'll drift. Go at a higher rate because we have a wind here. Now let's see how it flies. Oh wait, before we do that, let's do an automatic landing. Because I want to raise up its camera for FPV flying. Okay, and stop the video. And raising up its camera level. Actually, let's give it a little bit upward. A little bit of upward for FPV flying. And starting the video one more time. And starting the motors. And taking off. Okay. Let's see how it flies. Well, not super zippy. Beginner, intermediate. And it's really not meant to be. It's meant to be a camera bird. So with that in mind, let's start back to taking video again. And coming down, coming up to it. I don't know if I said it already, but how do you like my shirt today, folks? So, yeah, let's go back to taking photos again. Pressing the video button to stop the camera, and doing a quick shot, doing another quick shot, doing another quick shot, doing another quick shot, and coming up to the camera and say, "Hi, Ma." So, yeah, look at that thing. How that just holds its position there. You know, this is a poor man's GPS. Now, sometimes you can put your hand under these and have it follow your hand. Some of them. Yeah, that one doesn't like that idea. So, no big deal. Now, that camera battery on this is huge. So we should be able to get quite a bit of flight time, I'm hoping. I'm looking to see if... I don't see any LVC warning yet on the lights. It's following my shadow. Let's get my shadow underneath it. Okay, and see if I can get it to follow my shadow. No. The shadow didn't seem to affect it. Okay, but again, those lights aren't blinking yet. There's the LVC lights, or the lights that would be blinking if we had LVC warning. But going back to starting recording again. And getting in the picture. And coming down a bit. But again, another camera quadcopter that you would take with you on vacation. Let's end it right here, and let's see if I can fly it with the app. So I'm going to do the automatic landing. Automatic landing. Then stop its video. And let's see if I can take control using the app. I'm going to turn off this transmitter and try the app. Okay, I restarted the quadcopter and then rebounded to the phone. Hopefully I can take control of it now. Let's see if I can get the motor started. Motors are started, starting the video. And is making sure Mobazin is recording also. Mobazin is recording soon. Okay, we'll restart those motors again. And doing an automatic takeoff. Yeah, pulling up on the throttle. So now I'm controlling it using the app. And again, you know, this quadcopter is kind of optimal for using an app if you're... There goes the battery. But you can use the app is what I wanted to demonstrate if you want to fly it through the app and get a FPV video. Let me stop that now. Or stop the video recording now. But that was just a quick demonstration that you can fly it with the app if you want to. And that might be optimal, you know, if you're intending to use this the way it's meant to be used, to take FPV video. Not FPV video, but vacation video. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the flight of the XK150W. This is Quadcopter 101, signing out.